Hi there. Today I'm going to go through some essential recovery gear that you should consider taking when you head off-road. We have first a recovery dampener, so that you put over a snatch strap or any sort of strap when you go to recover a vehicle. We have two tree trunk protectors, each 3 meters. We have some shackles over here. We have two 3.25 ton and four 4.75 ton shackles, and we have two snatch straps, the yellow and the white there. They're rated to 8 ton each. They're 9 meter snatch straps. And then we also have a recovery tow hitch just here in red, and that's a 5 ton rating. Then we have a tyre puncture repair kit, and we have a set of MaxTrax and a shovel. And then going back up, we have a high lift JackMate just there, which attaches to your high lift jack. And we've got a Snatch Block, which is rated at 8 tons, and that you can use as a pulley to do double line winch pulls. Then we have the high lift jack, and at the moment I've just set it up for continuous winching with the chain mechanism there. And also we have our LiftMate, and that really makes the high lift jack quite a powerful tool because it allows it to be used on any vehicle, provided that the LiftMate can be attached to the spokes of the wheel. Then we have some drag chain that's 3.8 ton rated, that's 9 meters worth there. And we have a high lift jack base there. Then we have a 1.6 ton rated hand winch, which is great if you don't have a winch on your vehicle, but it's also very powerful because you can use it forwards, backwards, sideways. And that's the 20 meter steel cable winch rope, also rated at 1.6 tons. And that's just the winch handle there, which extends. And then we've got a air compressor and a digital gauge as well. In the future, I'd also like to add a 20 meter winch extension strap and also some soft shackles, just to make the recovery that little bit safer. And that's my personal recommendations of the essential recovery gear you should consider taking off-road. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.